If two different integers between 1 and 100 inclusive, so that means including 1 and 100, are chosen at random, what is the probability that the difference of the two numbers is 15? So let's count the number of ways we can select two distinct integers. So we have the set from 1 through 100. There's 100 total digits, and now I just want to choose two numbers. So that's just going to be 100 times 99 over 2, and that's 4,950 unique pairs. So now we want to count the favorable outcomes. So that's going to be the pairs where the difference is 15. So for example, if we have the smaller integer be x, then the larger integer has to be x plus 15. And we want both x and x plus 15 to be between 0, I guess in this case it'll be 1, and 100. So both numbers have to be between 1 and 100. Obviously x is fine, but x plus 15 is the issue here, because I need to subtract both sides by 15, and it has to be between negative 14 and 85, but we said that x has to be between 1 and 100, so I will revise this and say that x has to be between 1 and 85. Okay. So that's what we have here. So then all we have to do is just start off with 1. So we just go down the list. 1 goes with 16. And then you want to stop at 85 because we said it has to be between 1 and 85. So 85 plus 15 is 100. And so if you can continue this pattern, 2 will go with 17, 3 with 18, and then 84 with 99. Okay. So clearly there's going to be 85 of these pairs right here. Okay, so that's going to be 85 out of the total outcomes. We said that the number of distinct pairs is 4,950. So there's 85 favorable outcomes out of the 4,950, which simplifies to 17 over 990 as our final answer.